Hi everyone, Carolyn Brzezinski here. I'm coming to you today with some deeply troubling news that I believe every Canadian needs to hear. On March 28, 2024, the Ontario Court of Appeal dealt another blow to free speech in our country. They rejected my appeal against the Waterloo Region District School Board's decision to terminate my presentation at a board meeting. They offered no explanation for their ruling. To add insult to injury, the court ordered me to pay an additional $2,500 on top of the $5,000 already awarded to the board in November. This decision not only denies me the justice I sought, but it also sets a dangerous precedent that threatens a fundamental pillar of our already weakened democracy, the right to freely express our thoughts and opinions. For those who may not remember, in January 2022, I was removed from a school board meeting for voicing my concerns about age-inappropriate and misleading sexual content in some elementary school books. Silencing me was a direct violation of my right to free expression and a disturbing display of authoritarian speech suppression by the school board. Determined to fight for my rights, I filed a judicial review, hoping that the Ontario Divisional Court would reverse the board's decision and allow me to complete my presentation. However, on November 29, 2023, the panel of justices ruled against me, dismissing my review and agreeing that the board's decision to halt my presentation was reasonable. Undeterred, in January 2024, I filed a motion to appeal the decision with the Ontario Court of Appeal. My lawyers, who are constitutional experts, were confident in our case due to the numerous errors in law made by the Divisional Court. These errors included the failure to properly weigh the infringement of my charter right to free expression against Chair Pietkowski's accusation that I had violated the Human Rights Code. The board's lawyers argued that my presentation was off-topic, a claim never made by Chair Pietkowski during or after the board meeting. Sadly, the board now regularly uses the vague accusation of being off-topic as a convenient tool to suppress viewpoints it disagrees with. As I close, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to the Justice Center for Constitutional Freedoms, who sponsored the judicial review and supported me throughout this ordeal. While we have lost this battle at the Ontario Court of Appeal, our fight is far from over. The outcome of this case highlights the critical importance of winning my ongoing civil defamation lawsuit. The actions and comments made by the board and its former chair following my expulsion have not only damaged my reputation and health, it has also represented a broader threat to free speech. We must not be intimidated to voice our opinions. Winning this lawsuit is now more crucial than ever to set a precedent that protects freedom of expression for all Canadians. If you believe in defending free speech, please consider donating to my legal fund using the links at my website, canceledteacher.com. Together, we can ensure that no Canadian is defamed for speaking their truth. Thank you for your unwavering support in our shared commitment to defending free speech.